Okay, video number 3 on a hot day. Third change of icy cold cotton cloths around my neck. And I've just done 2 paintings I really like a lot, and that's fine. Now I want to experiment with swipes again. And what I really want to do with these swipes again is, I guess I'll explain as I go along. And I've got to mix up some more of this color, so I'm going to try for once to see if I can't make the same pattern across. And what I really want to do is hard to explain, so maybe I'll just do it and figure out how to explain afterwards. I'm going to be using my ability to swipe, hopefully to make the white pop cells. And I'm going to variegate, what's the word I'm looking for? God, my brain is hot. I'm going to alternate black and white. And over and under the paint I have on here. And I'm going to throw a little black in the middle, just because I can. Maybe right there too. You know, it's going to be interesting. I'm going to want to stop and photograph it, I can tell. I just noticed I am not using my spatula. Oh well, that's just the way this one's going to go. I guess maybe the next one will be different. Oh, we do not have a clear tip. That's not supposed to happen anymore. I'm just going to keep having some fun with my colors until I'm happy. Which is generally the way things are supposed to work anyway. And I have great colors, so it really shouldn't be too bad. I'm kind of missing one of my favorites, which is a green gold. Where are you, green gold? Where are you? Show yourself. Maybe that turquoise will do. Maybe I'm out of that green gold and I made a substitute. But this is color shift turquoise, and that always works for me. And as I recall, yellow makes everything pop. Please don't be, yeah, little bit of Floetrol. Oh well, it's not like I don't add Floetrol anyway. If it's not completely shaken up, it's not the end of the world, I promise you. And I have some of this, which is kind of the same as that over there, but I spilled it, so I'm going to try and use it up. What am I missing? I am missing that obnoxious orange. Put it right in there. And right there again with that red color. That'll be perfect, I think. I've got some great... Ooh, there's the gold the green gold I was looking for. I wonder if that is the same. No, I don't think I can have too much of that though. I'm almost to the point where I think it's time to do what I was going to do. I think. So much for my white in the mix, huh? And I like that black. Let's just do it again. And there's where my black is going to go. Oops. Oh well. And there's where my white is going to go. Dipping the rag in. Oh, that's a Floetrol of an enormous size. Okay, well, I'm trying to put the eraser on, cap that upside down, which just goes to show you how hot I am. Okay, now, I'm not really to my edges, so I'm inclined to just mess around a little. Because after all, it's a swipe. And swipes forgive almost everything anyway. At least in my experience. And that looks kind of cool. I have a trimmed rag from the bottom of a turtleneck or a t-shirt. It is cotton. It is the length, it is the width of this canvas. I am going to try and lay it in the paint we have at the bottom. I'm thinking about doing a wavy swipe, but I might start not doing a wavy swipe just so I can see where it's going to go. Also, it's not looking wide enough, but let's just, oh, and I'm dragging the color off. Okay. You really can't mess up too badly with beautiful colors. I'm having some logistical rag issues. Right over the end, flip it over so I can use it on the sides. I guess I got my green gold, huh? And then some. That's pretty cool though. I definitely got what I was hoping for, which was a bunch of white popping. And my sides are covered with that rag. I'm going to throw it over here, just in case I can still scrape a little something up off of it, and I need it to do that. We have some nice cells popping. I'm going to see if I can help them. I know there were a lot of nice colors in there that I can't see right now, but I'm not complaining because it's just pretty. And I'm inclined to take my tubing to it, which is something I've done before. You've seen me. I would really like to have some more paint down at that other end, but I do not know what to do about that. Maybe it's just meant to be this way. Pretty. Very pretty. I'm liking that. Alright, what to do, what to do. 13 minutes. Found my tubing. Maybe we'll start with a skewer and see what happens. Yep. Not minding the stripes, that's kind of cool. That's a different effect. I'm going to keep my wet rag handy, maybe even literally in my hand. I have a lot of paint there. Probably more than I need, but that's how you learn. You do it wrong, you figure out how to do it right the next time. I like black and white, and I like that green gold, and this is unexpected, but that's okay. I think I might have just said that twice. My brain is melting, just ever so slightly. I'd kind of like some other colors in there, but I guess lesson learned. You put enough green gold in, you get very green gold. So, I could make it a Rain-X moment, but I see that things are sort of going sideways, misshapen, and I don't mind that either. I'm going to see what happens when I blow. Especially in the white. I can live with this. As long as I don't spit down the tube. I love watching those colors pop. I wish they'd stay. It's not as uniform as it was, but it's still so cool. I love it. I was never really expecting uniform anyway. I would love some of that color down here. At the risk of making mud. Question is, do I want it so bad that I'm willing to add it? The answer is yes. I'm going to take a chance. Yep, that makes me happy. I'm good. I was good. I guess blowing is not the ticket. But I bet skewering is. And if I like it enough, I may add it everywhere. I've been thinking about this for a while. You know, just changing things up a little bit. Not sure about the white stripes, but that was a lesson I needed to find out. Doesn't look like anybody else's, that's for certain. Glad I didn't Rain-X. Seem to have plenty of cells going on. Yeah. Okay, well, we have 9 minutes left. And I don't think I'm going to use them. I really don't. If I really want some things to come back to where they're supposed to be, I can go in there with a skewer, see if I can reconfigure things a little bit and keep the colors, which is what I want. I want to keep those colors. Anything that's completely anomalous, I can make go away if I want to. I think I just destroyed a little frog. Damn. That was a cute little frog, too. Never to be seen again. Cool. Maybe one more torching. Oh, little naked spot. Do I need anything with that purple down there? Do I want anything with that purple down there? I am like that. I will do as I want. That'll work. Keep looking at that thinking, blue. Do I really think so? I don't know. What do I really want to do? Now I'm just diddling. Ooh, spirals. Let's think about that. Maybe not. Maybe so. Maybe just one or two. You know what? For good or bad, it is what it is. I didn't use any Rain-X in there. Pretty spectacular. I'm really glad I used Golden's GAC 800 because there is some thick paint in here and it will need to dry without cracking. I'm a little bummed out about that, but I think if I'm just irreverent enough to throw some color in there. Now remember, when you see this, if you hadn't watched me do it, you wouldn't know I had. And that looked so good. I'm going to do it again. Just to sort of keep that flow going down. Try not to knock it all out, because I can disappear it. I know that's not a word. Today's non-word, disappear it. Phrase? Word? Did I mention my brain is melting? Okay, so. She just keeps doing stuff. She's gonna ruin it. Yeah, I might, but I probably won't. I have a certain level of trust now. I know I said I like the black and white stripes. And I do, but I need to play. What's that? Big and goopy. Goodbye, big and goopy. Okay. Did I torch one more time? I can't remember. I love watching things do what I want them to do when I manipulate them. It's the kind of relationship I'd like to have with everyone. I should not have said that. That is just neat. Unless you're a green hater, in which case maybe not so much. So many cells that we're not even tempted to use the Rain X, which is an instant cell creator, in case I haven't mentioned that before, which I have a bunch of times. So anyway, I hope you're having a good day. I'm having a pretty good day. This is number 3, and I'm going to go throw myself in the pool, and hopefully I don't drown from like heat exhaustion. Okay. I appreciate you guys. You inspire me consistently, and I do this for you, but I do it for me too, so never worry about that. And whatever I do after this, you won't see on camera. It'll still be pretty similar. So wish me well, and I wish you well. Bye for now. See you in the next video.